Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 29 to February 4, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Sagittarius. What's up with you this week for Sagittarius? Okay. Romance. Wow, yung iba sa inyo in love. Or ang magiging focus ng week ninyo is yung romantic partner ninyo. Or you may be attracting a romantic partner this week. Ayan. Romance. Love life. Okay, what else? Sagittarius. You have new beginnings, new opportunities, new love life, new career, mga bagong simula, no? And I think itong new beginning na to ay magbibigay sa'yo ng stability. Stable career, stable business, stable relationship because of the double number 4 here. Ang 4 kasi is about foundation, stability, dinoble pa siya. And 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 is about money, no? Oo. So, pwedeng sa career to, anything related to your finances. Let's see ano pa. You have divine guidance. Okay, Sagittarius, you are divinely guided. Kung ano man yung mga pinupurso nyo ngayong week na to, no? Or ng mga nakaraan, kayo ay ginaguide ng universe to where you are going to be more successful or kung saan talaga yung destiny mo. So, kung mapapansin mo, may mga bagay na hindi nagwo-work para sa'yo or tipong mga goals or plano mo na hindi natutupad is because you are being redirected. Meron namang syempre na natutupad but yung mga iba hindi kasi maaring hindi ito makakatulong, no? Para ma-fulfill yung destiny mo. Let's see your overall energy. Sagittarius, you have the King of Wands. Yes, this is your energy. Fire sign. Someone na hindi mapipigilan. Someone who is very passionate sa ginagawa nila. Yung iba sa inyo, medyo magiging busy kayo ngayong week na to. Marami kayong aasikasuhin. Kung kayo ay may negosyo, so maaring marami kayong kailangang ayusin sa negosyo, asikasuhin dahil maaaring iba nagsisimula na magnegosyo. Iba, pwede rin nagsisimula sa bago nyong work. But I think this is more on being creative, no? May mga creative endeavors kayo. What is the King of Wands? Ooh, the Death card. This is transformation, changes. Change in the direction. So, with the new beginnings here, I think merong chapter na nagko-close para sa'yo and something is opening up for you. Wow. So, major change in your life. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge na mga Sagittarius? You have the Page of Swords. Maaring merong mga gossip, no? Chismis sa paligid mo ngayon. Or meron mga taong nakikialam sa mga ginagawa mo. Nakikiusi, ganon. Oo. So, someone might be trying to stalk you or to know kung ano nangyayari sa buhay mo. Especially kung maraming naging pagbabago sa buhay mo. Parang gusto nilang malaman, paano nangyari yun? Oo. Lalo na kung may malaking improvement sa buhay mo. What is the Page of Swords? You have the Chariot in reverse as a challenge. Possible na yung iba sa inyo mabilis kayong maapektuhan ng opinion ng iba. Na halimbawa meron kayong plano tapos may narinig kayo na opinion ng iba na hindi maganda yan or merong mga magdi-discourage sa'yo. So possible na mabilis kang maapektuhan. So, ito yung challenge sa'yo na mag-focus ka sa direction na gusto mong tahakin kasi ikaw yan eh. That is your own journey, no? Yung mga nakikialam is ano lang naman yan. Nandyan lang naman sila para, makialam. But, we don't know kung itong mga to, kapag nagka-problema, itutulong sa'yo. So, just focus on your goal. Keep your eye on the prize. Let us see your opportunity. The opportunity is the Hermit. The Hermit is reassessing your situation. So, meron kang opportunity ngayon na mag-focus sa sarili mo. Mag-isolate, no? Ito nga yung mga nakikialam sa'yo, diba? So, umiwas ka sa ganyan, sa mga taong laging may pakialam, no? Okay lang sana kung maganda yung pakikialam nila, but yung iba talagang gusto lang manggulo, no? So, mas maganda na you will, have this opportunity na sarili mo lang yung kasama mo with your own thoughts para magkaroon ka ng clarity. With the Page of Wands, I see an opportunity for you to try new things. Mayroong adventure, no? You're going on an adventure this week na tipong kahit mag-isa ka lang. Ito yung mga bagay na pinipigilan ka ng iba or dinidiscourage ka ng iba kasi iniisip nila na baka hindi yun makabuti sa'yo. But at the end of the day, ikaw ang makakaalam yan eh. Kung ano yung sinasabi ng instinct mo, na gagawin mo ba yan kahit na mag-isa ka lang or kailangan mong maniwala sa sinasabi ng iba na hindi mo kaya, na mahirap yan. So, for some of you, you have the opportunity to do it, no? To finally explore ano yung gusto mong explore sa buhay kahit mag-isa ka lang. So, your blessing is, you have the 8 of Pentacles. You're going to be blessed with a lot of work. Oo, diba? Sabi nga ng iba mas maganda na busy ka sa trabaho, no? Na napapagod ka dahil busy ka sa trabaho. Ayan. And then, what is the 8 of Pentacles? You have the Fool. Oh. Yes, definitely you're going to take a risk. I think, yung iba sa inyo, ang new beginnings ninyo ay may kinalaman sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, and pwede rin tong opportunity to work abroad. So, I think you are going to be more blessed with kung paano yung hard work na ibibigay mo, yung attention na ibibigay mo. And the Fool is also about being carefree, no? Yung parang wala ka ng pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. Oo. At meron kang kalayaan na magawa yung gusto mo. Let's see what else. Wow, ang ganda nito, Sag. Sabi rito, something lovely will grow from this. So, ano man yung sinisimulan mo ngayon, business, trabaho, career, this is going to grow, no? May pag-unlad dito. Maganda yung magiging kalalabasan nito as long as aalagaan mo, aasikasuhin mo. 'Di ba? Ayan. So, parang meron kang itatanim na magandang halaman. So, something lovely will grow from this. This can be a new opportunity, career, business, or even relationship na sisimulan mo. Pwede ring partnership with someone. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.